Hello kiddos, today we are going to do sound of sh. Sound of sh. SH says sh. See, S says s and H says h. But when we put them together, sh, it makes sh sound. Okay, when we put them together, s and h, it makes different sound. We call it sh sound. Okay, together we will call it sh. So let's read some words. SH says sh. Repeat after me. Now we'll call it sh. Sh, e, she, and always pronounce it together. Sh, e, p, ship. Sh, e, p, sheep. Sh, e, t, sheet. Sh, a, d, shade. When a says a, then we have to write mute e. Sh, a, d, shade. Sh, a, m, shame, or you can call it sh, am, shame. Sh, ape, shape. Sh, o, p, shop. F, I, sh. Now see here, this word is not starts with sh sound, but it ends with sh sound. Okay, it starts from f sound, f, I, sh, fish, but ends with sh sound. Hope you understand.